My name is Nurin Inshira binti Mustafa, and today I will be presenting the findings of my field trip entitled Observation of Communication and Social Behaviour of Barbados Black Belly Sheep, which is Ovis aris at Zoo Kemaman.
The common name is Barbados Black Belly, but often mistakenly called kambing or goats by visitors because they lack of wool, while scientific name is Ovis aris and their family is Bovidae. Unlike typical fluffy sheep, this tropical species grows short, coarse hair instead of thick wool, making them exceptionally well adapted to the hot, humid weather of Terengganu.
Is vocal communication such as bleating and grunting. Bleating is the most common vocalization. Adult sheep use bleats to maintain contact with other flock members, while ewes and lambs use distinct bleats to recognize one another. Grunting is a softer vocalization that usually occurs during close social interactions, especially between mothers and their offspring. These vocal signals help maintain social bonds and reduce separation within the flock. Is chemical communication. Sheep use scent to exchange information about identity and reproductive condition. One important method is urine secretion, which contains chemical compounds known as pheromones. Tactile communication. Grooming may involve licking or rubbing another individual and is commonly observed between mothers and their young. These behaviors promote social bonding, reduce stress, and reinforce relationships within the group. Most frequently observed behavior is grazing. Sheep spend a large portion of their day feeding on grasses by lowering their heads and slowly moving across the pasture. Grazing provides the nutrients required for growth, reproduction, and energy. Those black-belly sheep also display browsing behavior. Browsing occurs when sheep consume leaves, shrubs, or other vegetation above ground level. This behavior increases dietary diversity and allows the animals to utilize a wider range of food resources. Sheep walk while searching for food, following other flock members, or exploring their surroundings. Walking allows individuals to locate feeding areas while maintaining contact with the flock. Sheep spend time for resting. During this period, they may stand quietly or lie down while chewing cud, a process known as rumination. Resting can conserve energy and supports digestion. Black-belly sheep naturally has hybrid flocking behavior. Living in groups provides protection from predators, improves communication, and helps individuals locate food more efficiently. Remaining close together also strengthens social bonds within the flock. Following behavior is commonly observed, particularly in young lambs. Lambs closely follow their mothers for protection, food, and learning. Adult sheep also follow one another to maintain flock cohesion during movement. Headbutting is a form of social competition used to establish dominance within the flock. It occurs most frequently between males, particularly during the breeding season. Although it appears aggressive, headbutting usually functions to determine social rank rather than cause injury.
Next, I will present the results of my observation on the communication and social behavior of the Barbados Black Belly Sheep.
Based on Figure 1, social behavior accounted for a total frequency of 62, whereas communication behavior recorded only 22 occurrences.
For communication behavior, the total frequency observed were 12 bleating, 4 grunting, 2 urine secretion, and 4 grooming. For social behavior, grazing was the most frequently observed behavior with a total frequency of 17, followed by browsing with 14 observations. Walking, following, flocking, resting, and headbutting were observed less frequently. These findings indicate that the sheep spend most of their time feeding.
To determine whether there was a significant difference between communication and social behavior frequencies, a paired sample t-test was conducted. The analysis showed that the mean frequency of communication behavior was 3.67, while the mean frequency of social behavior was 10.33. The paired sample t-test indicated a statistically significant difference with t of degree of freedom 5 equal to -20 and p is less than 0.001. Therefore, the null hypothesis was rejected. which indicating that social behaviors occur significantly more frequently than communication behaviors during the observation period. Some correlation analysis was also carried out to examine the relationship between communication and social behaviors. The analysis produced a correlation coefficient of R equal to 0.746, indicating a strong positive correlation. This means that observation intervals with higher communication activity also tended to show higher levels of social behavior. This result suggests that communication behaviors may help facilitate social interactions and maintain group cohesion among the sheep. Overall, the study demonstrates that Barbados black belly sheep display social behaviors much more frequently than communication behaviors, with grazing being the dominant activity and bleating being the most common form of communication.